Alright, so I live in Lisbon. So what I decided to do was, I live in Lisbon, which is not exactly a huge town. Okay, so I live in Lisbon, which is not exactly a super big city. It has approximately 3 million inhabitants. And the Pope is coming to visit from the 2nd of August to the 6th. And that elicited an increase in about 1 million people who are going to be coming to Lisbon to see the Pope, which for me kind of ignited a bell of, oh no, there's gonna be a lot of people everywhere. So the programmer in me looked at that and thought, okay, so how can we automate staying away from the hotspots where, you know, the Pope might visit, so there might be like a bunch of people there. I decided to do a little Python automation that essentially helps me keep track of where the Pope is going to be and split it by days so that I know the areas to avoid when I'm walking around Lisbon or going to town. So what I did was I copied all the itinerary from the Pope from the official press release, and then I threw that into ChatGPT to get some code to structure that into a pandas data frame. I did a little bit of cleaning, and I certified that all the locations that I obtained for all the dates and the timestamps were correct and associated with the correct date. And then what I did is I used the GeoPy package to get the coordinates, the latitude and longitude coordinates for each of those locations, separated by the day and the time when the Pope is going to be visiting those locations. And then I generated this really cool interactive heat map of the city of Lisbon, where you can see the spots where the Pope is going to be. And I have this very simple interactive interface where I can click on a date and then see the spots that the Pope is going to visit that day, as well as little lines connecting those spots, so that I have a small awareness of the region, a triangulation of the region where the Pope is going to be, so I know which places to avoid, which day of the week when I'm going around town. I wanted to have this kind of like holistic view. So this ended up being a very cool project to do. And that's it. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Cheers.